All right, let's rock and roll. Come on. Let's go back to this page in your notes, please. I'm gonna clarify using the arrow diagrams for you in speed problems. Okay, so you guys know that you're always putting the unknown on the right. So if we're finding distance using an arrow diagram, distance goes on the right. What's gonna go on the left? What's gonna go on the left? Do you think? What do you think, Rachir? It's gonna be time, because you're gonna end up reading a word problem and it's gonna give you a speed, right? But it's gonna say in 1 hour, so-and-so goes 44 miles. If the speed is 44 miles per hour, like what distance can, that thing go in 2 hours? So time is gonna go on the left. If you're finding time goes on the right, obviously. What goes on the left? What do you think? McKinley? No. Lucy? It's going to be distance. And again, you're going to get that distance from the word problem, right? It'll give you a speed and you're going to get the distance from that, knowing that you've got whatever number of miles per 1 hour, and then you're going to have to find the time. Okay, how about speed? What goes on the left? Always in speed problems. Macy? No. Uzziah? Time always goes on the left, and you're going to end up with a distance, but then you need to give your answer with using a speed label, right? Like miles per hour or kilometers per hour or something like that. All right, so, if you can remember to put your unknown on the right for these two, and then for speed, always put time on the left, that's going to be pretty easy, because speed never even goes really into those problems. You're just going to get the time and the distance from the speed in the word problem. Does that make sense to you guys? Kind of. It's just another helpful thing. All right, let's go over number 2 to start. Okay. All right, so you're trying to find the average speed of a woman jumping over a hurdle. And let's see, it was marked 3 lines of work in there. So let's go ahead and use a formula for letter B. Speed equals, what's the speed formula, guys? Distance over time. That didn't sound very confident. Distance over time. All right, what do we have to do before we can find the speed? Lucy? Convert what? No. Nope. Convert what? Mira?
Seconds to minutes.
Seconds to minutes. Okay, I'm just going to do that over here on the side. So 50 seconds times 1 minute per 60 seconds. My seconds cross cancel, and I have 5/6 of a minute. Okay, so my speed is going to equal 400 meters divided by 5/6. So we'll go ahead and write it left to right, because it's a lot prettier that way. And then we can cross cancel after we flip our fraction. I feel like this one probably would have been better with the arrow diagram. Did anybody solve this with arrow diagrams? Did you? Did you have fewer steps than I have up there? Yeah, sometimes the arrow diagrams are a lot easier. Okay, so we're going to cross cancel the 5. 400 divided by 5 is going to be 80. So Jace, what does my speed equal? You got 480? That sounds good. Let's go with that. 480 what? Meters per minute. Good job. Okay. All right, let's do letter C. Oh. Huh. I didn't have another slide for letter C, I guess. I'm going to go back to this one and use this blank space. Okay. So letter C, 3 athletes running a 100-meter race. All right, who feels confident with this one? Letter C. Mira?
Yeah.
All right, what are we gonna do? Formulas or arrow diagrams?
Formulas.
Okay. So what'd you do first?
So I did speed equals distance divided by time.
Okay,
And then before I put in a number, I knew I had to convert
good.
meters, 100 meters to kilometers, and 10 seconds to hours.
Okay. Love a show of hands. How many of you guys skipped this? Those weren't the instructions. But thanks for being honest. Okay. All right. So let's do meters to kilometers. Okay. So 100 meters equals 1 kilometer per 1,000 meter. So you should have gotten 0. Well, let's do it in fractions. Did you use fractions or decimals?
Fractions.
Good. So 1/10 of a kilometer?
Yep.
Okay, then how about seconds?
I go 1/20th, 1 and 120th an hour. 1/120th of an hour.
Okay, let's go through the conversion really quick. So 10 seconds times 1 minute. Check this out, you guys, for 60 seconds times 60 minutes per 1 hour. Oops, I did that wrong. One hour per 60 minutes. Okay, so we're gonna cross cancel the minutes, we're gonna cross cancel the seconds, and now we've got some things set up correctly. We can cross cancel one of those zeros, and now we've got 1/6 times 60.
Oh, dang it, 360.
Yep, 1/360th of an hour.
Okay.
No one else did this problem? Let's check my work. Let's check our conversion really quick. I think I'm good. Okay. All right, let's do, I'm just gonna work from left to, actually, I feel like this one might be fun to do a arrow diagram on because everything's gonna be a fraction. Let's not. Okay, so speed equals 1/10 of a kilometer times, or excuse me, divided by 1/360th of an hour. You guys should be taking notes. Oh, that was easy peasy lemon squeezy. Look at that. We didn't even have to do any math on this one. So our speed equals 36 kilometers per hour. All we had to do was cross cancel. You guys shouldn't have given up so easily. Did you do it, Owen? Oh, you were like, Jace did it? Did you get it right? Great job, Jace. Did you use a formula or did you use an arrow diagram? Way to go. All right. Moving right along. Okay, number 3. Okay, Subway. We're looking for the time. Who would like to help me with this problem? Okay, Macy, what'd you get for your answer? Nice job. Did you use an arrow diagram or a formula? Okay, so go ahead and give me the formula. Great job.
So put it
12 kilometers over, oh, because okay, yep, we need to convert first, don't we? Wait a second. Why did you get 4/6?
because 40 over 60 or 60.
So you converted the speed.
Yeah.
Okay. So my suggestion is that you not convert speed, but that you do the problem and then you convert the time that you get after, because sometimes it's not going to work. So what I would do is take that 40 kilometers per hour and plug that in for my speed. And then their kilometers cross cancel. And that's only when we're working with speed. Otherwise, we want to go ahead and convert first. So 12, this is a little bit messy. Okay, so we can cross cancel both the 12 and the 40, divide by 4, 3/10. My time equals 3/10 of an hour. And so then we would multiply that times 60 minutes. And then you got 18, which is awesome. Okay. Who got letter C? Nobody got that far? Okay, let's do it together. All right, we're trying to find the time taken of a tram that was moving at 9 kilometers per hour and it traveled 750 meters. Okay, let's go ahead and we'll just use the formula. So time equals distance over speed. Oh, whoops, we can't do that, can we? Do you guys see a problem? What's the problem? Mira?
We can convert,
Yeah, what do we have to convert first?
but we can convert the meters to meters.
Yeah, we can't compare apples to oranges. Let's convert that 750 meters to kilometers. So if we do that conversion, 1 kilometer over 1,000 meters, we are going to get, let's see, 0.75 kilometers. So 3/4 of a kilometer over 9 kilometers per hour. All right, so my time equals 3/4 divided by 9 over 1. Can you guys see what's going to happen here? You're going to have a nice, pretty cross-canceling party here once I've copy dot flip this. We're going to get 3 down there and 1 up there. And my time equals 1/12 of an hour. Okay, so am I done? Okay, what do they want the time expressed as? Uzziah? Yep. Okay, so let's go ahead and convert that. 1/12 of an hour times 60 minutes per 1 hour. And my time equals what? I had the wrong thing. There we go. 1/12. Yes, 5 minutes. Good job. It's like, what is wrong with this problem? All right, nice. Okay, guys, go ahead and do the Toyos on page 150. So open up your textbook. And then once you finish those, you can go ahead and do the exit ticket, which is a review problem. Here are the answers. Oh, I gotta unfreeze my screen. Hang on. Okay, so the answers for numbers 4 and 5. Number 4 was 500 meters per minute. 5 was 396 kilometers, and 6, if you did it, was 35 minutes. How many of you got number 4 right? Give yourself a snap. Okay, give yourself more than one. Like 1 snap is so lame. Okay, good job. How about number 5? Oh, few snaps, but still okay. Did anybody get number 6? Did you get it, Rajveer? Way to go. That's awesome. Do you want to explain to us how you did it? Because it took you a really long time. That's fine. All right. I'm going to go ahead and pass out homework. And let me end this. You guys can go ahead and write it down while I'm passing it out.